Today I'm telling you why the preppers are lying to you. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when we put up new videos. Hello, I am Tara, the author of the Dining on a Dime cookbook where you can eat better, spend less. We have a new hardcover with full color pictures and over 1,200 recipes and tips to help you save money on your grocery bill. Check it out at livingonadime.com. All right, guys, today we are talking about prepping, and you need to know the truth. So I don't actually watch a lot of prepping videos because, quite frankly, a lot of them are unrealistic in my opinion. And a lot of them are just fear-mongering in my opinion. But I happened across a couple of YouTubers and got my curiosity piqued, so I decided to go ahead and watch their video. And I just really want to caution you guys, when you're watching videos about this, even me, you have to be careful and make sure you know the truth and research the truth yourself. Now, one particular prepper that I watched said, oh, you have to buy in bulk from this particular company. We buy in bulk because it's organic and it's so much cheaper. Oh, it's so much cheaper. It just saves us so much money. And we put it in these 5-gallon buckets in Mylar bags with oxygen packets. And we've got 10 years worth of food stored up. And it's so much cheaper buying it from this online company. So I got curious and decided to go look up this company and see, in fact, if it is actually cheaper. You want to know what, guys? It's like expensive, super expensive. And I know where these particular people live, and it is way more expensive than anything they could buy at their local grocery store. Now, they get an affiliate kickback from this company, so I get that's why, one of the reasons why they promote it, because they can get free food with it. But I went and looked at this company, and it is $1.16 a pound for organic flour. Now, you may say, oh, well, you have to have organic. Well, first of all, it's been proven time and time and time again that buying organic is not any healthier than buying just regular flour. But just to give you the benefit of the doubt, let's say you went to Walmart and got organic flour at Walmart. It is still 70 cents a pound instead of $1.16 a pound. Now, if you get regular flour, we are down to 20 cents a pound getting regular flour. Guys, it is not necessarily cheaper to buy in bulk from these online companies. You have to know your prices and know if it is actually cheaper. That's why I wrote my little price book. And let me show you how we do it. Okay, so this row right here is the item that you're buying. Over here is the price that me and my assistant normally buy on sale, so we know when it's a really good deal. Then I write the 3 stores that I normally shop at up here, and then I put the price at each store. So then when I see the price, I know if it's actually a good deal. So when someone says, buy flour from this place online, it's such a great deal, I know that $1.16 versus 20 cents a pound, $1.16 is ridiculously expensive. Now, the same thing goes with the freeze-dried and the 10-pound containers of food. I know those canned goods will last 25 years, but here's the thing. For the amount of cost that it costs to get the freeze-dried food in the number 10 cans, for the amount of cost, you could buy 4 times the amount of regular food and just rotate it out. Now, it's really good food. I've had this product. I know that it's really good food. And if you have the money to spend on it, then go right ahead and do that. But if you are trying to get your stockpile up, don't fall for these online companies that say it's cheaper when it's actually not. Do the math, and if it is truly cheaper for you, that's fine. Go ahead and buy it. But most people have a Walmart or a Kroger or a Save-A-Lot or Aldi or something like that where they can get the food for a lot cheaper. So do your homework yourself. Get yourself a price book or make your own price book so that you know the actual cost of what your food is costing you. And here's the thing. Make sure that the foods you are buying are foods that you will actually eat, that your family will actually be able to use on a regular basis, so that you just aren't buying food that you're not going to use or that's just going to sit there and rot if you don't need it for an emergency. Guys, we are starting a new section where I show you the deals that I get and the meals that I make using our Dining on a Dime cookbooks. Here's today's deals and meals. So I got these 2 skillets for free from a friend that was moving, and I'm not sure which one I want to keep. I may want to keep both, but I'm not sure. So what I'm doing is I'm going to test to see with pancakes how evenly they both heat, and then I will make my decision. They're both set on 350. So let's see how it goes with pancakes. And I greased them both with bacon grease so they would both be equal. Yep, there we go. All right, the great pancake test of 2020 is on. Ooh, okay, so this one, well, is just slightly more even than this one. Very interesting. Okay, so now what I'm going to do next, I did a pancake in the middle, and I'm going to do a pancake on each corner and see. This one's sticking a little bit more. Whoops. Oh dear. Okay, so on this one, the edges are cooler. Well, I don't know what to do. I really wanted one that was smaller version. But this one does cook more evenly. So that is the great question of the day. And I really don't have room to store either one of them. All right, well, I don't know. I'll have to decide and let you know. Well, on the gluten-free pancakes, it is extremely noticeable, isn't it? Wow. So I sort of broke my pancake there, but look at that yummy goodness, even with the broken pancake. Yummy. All right, now this one's taking a lot longer on the gluten-free, dairy-free. This one definitely cooks a lot more even. So even though it's significantly bigger, I think I'm gonna keep it. Yep, so even though that one's significantly bigger, it'll be nice. I could do 2 pounds of bacon at once probably. So I'm gonna keep that. Yay, my free saucepan that was like, or my griddle that's like $40, I think. So I got $40 savings, yay. Please visit us at livingonadime.com and we will see you guys next time.